Let me ask you something honest. Do you wake up on Monday morning already counting down to Friday? Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, you're just stuck? Same paycheck, same routine, same quiet frustration? That's not laziness. That's not weakness. That's what happens when nobody ever taught you the real rules of money. And today, that changes. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. These are 6 rules, simple, honest, and powerful, that shift the way you think about money forever. Because escaping the rat race isn't about working harder, it's about thinking differently. Let's get into it. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Most people earn money, pay all their bills, buy what they want, and save whatever's left, which is usually nothing. Flip that completely. The moment money comes in, set a percentage aside for yourself before anything else, even 10%. That's it. You're not depriving yourself. You're building a foundation because you can't build wealth on leftovers. Rule 2. Your job is not your financial plan. Your salary keeps you comfortable, and comfortable is dangerous. It's just enough to stop you from building something more. Start thinking about income outside your job, a skill you can freelance, content you can create, a small service you can offer. It doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to exist. One extra stream changes your entire psychology around money. Rule 3. Spend on assets, not just appearances. We spend on things that look like success, clothes, gadgets, going out, before we've built actual success. Rich people buy things that make them more money: books, courses, tools, investments. Even small ones compound over time. Ask yourself before every big purchase, does this make me money, or does this just make me look like I have money? Rule 4. Debt is a trap, but not all debt. Bad debt is borrowing to buy things that lose value, a flashy phone on EMI, credit card shopping. That's money working against you. Good debt is borrowing to build something that grows, a skill, a business, an investment. Know the difference. And if you have bad debt right now, aggressively attack it. Every rupee you pay off is a raise you give yourself. Rule 5. Learn continuously or fall behind. The market doesn't reward effort, it rewards value. And the only way to stay valuable is to keep learning. You don't need a degree, you need 30 minutes a day. Podcasts during your commute, YouTube in the evening, like right now. One book a month. Small, consistent inputs build massive long-term output. The person who invests in their brain always wins eventually. Rule 6. Time is your real currency. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. Every hour you spend on things that don't move you forward is an hour you'll never recover. Guard your time like it's money, because it is. Start saying no to things that drain you. Start saying yes to things that build you. That small shift will change your entire trajectory. So here's what we covered. Pay yourself first. Build income outside your job. Spend on assets. Kill bad debt, never stop learning, and protect your time like it's your most valuable resource, because it is. You don't need to do all 6 tomorrow. Pick one, just one. Start there tonight, because the rat race doesn't end by accident. It ends the moment you decide to play a different game. If this hit differently for you, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and I'll see you in the next one.